We all know that WD-40 can be used as a lubricant. Squeaky hinge. Now you can sneak in at night. You know when you put your key into the keyhole and it starts getting real tough to turn? Grab a little bit of WD-40 and spray it right in that keyhole. It is gonna loosen it up so nicely. A few other things this stuff can be used for. Really good at getting stains out of carpets. One time, I dropped some ketchup on a white rug. No word of a lie, it got the stain out. Today's test though, we're gonna try mustard. Uh-oh. Watch this. Barely see that stain. Look at this. Super happy with that. If your kids color on the walls with crayon, that's gonna get it out. Can you guys see it, or do I need to make it darker? Wow! Keeping your stainless steel appliances streak free. Yep, it worked. Weatherproofing leather boots, an awesome water repellent, WD-40, and last but certainly not least, if you get gum in your hair, I'm not kidding you, I'm not gonna test it, but I have heard WD-40 gets that gum out of the hair. And it smells good.